Yo, what is up guys? I am back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get Nintendo Wi-Fi connection working without any hacks in 2020. Let's get right into it. So guys, to do this, you are going to need to have a Nintendo DS game in, and basically what you're going to do is down here at the bottom, go to anything. The setting will be somewhere in the game where it says Nintendo Wi-Fi connection, maybe Nintendo Wi-Fi connection settings. Basically, you're just going to click on this. It'll be in all kinds of different games, not just in this game. But basically once you're in, you'll go to Nintendo Wi-Fi connection settings. You'll click it. Then you'll click Nintendo Wi-Fi connection settings. And connection 1, 2, or 3, you can set any up in these. Basically, since I don't have anything here, I'm just going to click connection 1 and search for an access point. Now this is going to need to be WEP Wi-Fi. So it can't be WPA, WPA2, PSK. It can't be any of that. Unless you're using a DSi or a 3DS. Otherwise, if you're using one of these older DSs, it needs to be a WEP Wi-Fi. So once you've selected your Wi-Fi, go ahead and put in your Wi-Fi password. Once you guys have put in your Wi-Fi password, go ahead and press OK to start the connection test. And also guys, this will work for a phone hotspot. So if you're using a hotspot and it's an open network or WEP, it will work. Once it's connected, go ahead and go back into Nintendo Wi-Fi connection settings. Go into the connection 1 thing that you set up earlier. Now go down to auto obtain DNS, turn this off. Click edit right here. And last year I did a video on this. I'm using a different DNS than I used in that video. So for this one, I'm going to be using 164, which I will put in the description, 132.441.106. Then press OK. And then for the bottom one, you can either mirror it or just leave it empty. I'm just going to leave it empty. Go ahead and press test connection up here at the top and see if it works. Connection was successful, guys. Now let's go ahead and save the settings. Changes to the settings have been saved. And then, guys, back out of here. Go to Nintendo Wi-Fi connection match. And you're going to get this little error up here because it doesn't match the game. That's fine. Just go ahead and click next. Next. Yes. Next. Next. Yes. Okay, connecting to Nintendo Wi-Fi connection. Had to go through that. Now, let's see how this works. So guys, now the Wi-Fi ID has been updated, and we should be getting ready to connect now. Use this one. Yep, that's fine. Okay, we are in to the game. You can see it would not normally let you this far. But now you can go up against people, worldwide, friends. You can add friends, stuff like that. But now I'm going to show you how to do this on the DSi. So guys, here we are on DSi. If you do not have a WEP connection Wi-Fi, you only have the newest stuff, DSi helps with that because DSi can connect to WPA. 2 and WPA. But the problem here is that it works only with DSi enhanced games. So if games aren't DSi enhanced, as they are like in the Pokemon series games, like Pokemon Black 2, a lot of the games that came out during this time period when the DSi was released are DSi enhanced, so most of the games are covered, but the ones that aren't, you'll have to do the thing that I just did with that DS Lite. And you'll have to use WEP Wi-Fi. So to do this one, you'll go to Advanced Setup, if you have WPA, set up a connection, search for an access point, and then connect to whatever Wi-Fi is yours, and it can be WPA this time, it can be whatever. This also applies to the 3DS, and then go ahead and connect to it. So guys, once you've entered in all your stuff, go ahead and press OK to the connection test, and it'll go ahead and test the connection. And you guys can see my connection test was successful. I'll go ahead and back out of this. Go back into your internet and go click connection settings again. Go back into advanced setup, whatever connection you've set it up. Click change settings, and then you can go to auto obtain DNS, same thing that we did before, detailed setup, and then primary DNS is 164.132.044.106. And I'll put that in the description if you want some easy way to read it, if this isn't easy enough. But go ahead and click save once you've done that, and begin the connection test again. So guys, this connection test succeeded. Now let's go ahead and test it out in the game, just like we did with the other DS. So guys, here I am in Pokemon Black 2, which is a DSi enhanced game. Let's go ahead and start it up. Click continue. Okay guys, so you can see up here, if you, basically in this game, to use the Nintendo Wi-Fi connection, you can go up to this dude and basically connect to Wi-Fi on random matchups. You can do global trades, you can look at battle videos, it's all kinds of cool stuff. I remember this when I was younger, when this game was new, and I used to do GTS stuff all the time. So let's go ahead and check that out. GTS and GTS, let's go into there. There's probably a bigger player base for this game than there is for Mario Kart, since, you know, you need to have WEP for Mario Kart, and this one can actually be, this one works for all the newest routers if you're using a DSi or 3DS. So, we save the game, let's go in, and let's connect to Nintendo Wi-Fi connection. So you guys can see we are now in the GTS. Let's go ahead and investigate what's up there. And apparently I got something. Must have been playing with this. But I am receiving something from the GTS. It is a restroom. I wonder what I gave to get that. Must have been a while ago. But we got a restroom, and it does work, and I would love to hear what your guys' feedback is on this, because I love it that I can play these games that I used to play all that time ago, and now that they can be brought back, and it's just really cool. So guys, that is how you connect to a Nintendo Wi-Fi connection in 2020 without any hacks, and it's super easy. And the DSi setup one is exactly how you would do it on the 3DS. The settings are all the same, so it's really easy. And I'm really happy that I'm able to use this, and I hope you guys enjoy it too. If you got any friend codes, let me know them in the comments, and maybe we can, you know, play some Mario Kart and Pokemon trades and stuff like that. It'll be fun. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if this video helped you out, because it would help me out a ton. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.